Somebody's got a Viper out here. Hell yeah! You can tell it is a beautiful day here in Wisconsin when we got our motorcycles and Dodge Vipers out. So guys, I need your help. I want you to be in my next intro for my videos. Now I have an idea in my head of what I want this intro to be like, but I need your help. I need you guys to send me an email of a video clip of you guys saying 2 words, or technically 3 words. You guys have to say, "We're all right," but you gotta say it twice. And I want you to kind of like belt it out like you're rocking out, you know. Just think of that 70s show theme song. And if you need any inspiration, here's a little clip of it. But what I need you to do, you could do it however you want. You could do it on a motorcycle. You could do it, you know, just, you know, point the camera in front of your face. You know, but have fun with it, you know, do whatever you want to do, but I need, you know, you gotta be like, we're all right, we're all right. And I'm gonna mash it together, and hopefully it's gonna turn out really good. But that's what I need your guys' help with, okay? You know, now again, like I said, if you want to put your helmet on so nobody sees your face, you know, so you're not embarrassed or whatever, go for it. I finally seen 2 more motorcycles stopped at a bar. Hell yeah. Oh, by the way guys, if you didn't watch my last video, it is January 20th here in Wisconsin, and it's 45 degrees, and we're on a motorcycle today. Oh, if you didn't watch last week's video or the video before, wherever I'm putting this video out, here's the link up here for the video. Go check it out. You can see I was super excited. I was having a lot of fun. But yeah guys, that's about it. That's what I want help from you with. I want help with you putting your video out there, and if you don't want your channel name or whatever on there, I won't put you up there, but you know, if you want, you'll be mentioned in each video. I'll kind of have like a credits thing going, not a credit, but in the description of the video I'll have everybody who participated in there. But it would be really awesome if you guys did that for me, because I really want to make my idea come to life with my new intro video, and I just think it would be a lot of fun. Alright guys, so if you could help me with my intro, that would be awesome. Please, I just think it would be a lot of fun just to help bring my idea to life. So until the next video guys, get out here and ride. I love you. Send in those videos. I can't wait to see what y'all bring. But remember, I'm going to put in that little video clip of what I want you guys to say. So until the next video again, I love you guys. Get out here and ride. Ride safe. Bye-bye.